So after the vendor, let's talk about the merchandising categories. So merchandising categories represents group of articles. Okay. Basically it is used in prospect to the procurement. The articles which are having the similar characteristics are generally grouped under merchandising category. Yeah. And further merchandising categories are grouped under merchandising hierarchy.
Yes.
Okay. So you will also need to understand what are the tables under which we maintain merchandising categories. Yeah. So we already talked like sites which are which is generally his more details are maintained in T001 W table and custom master KNA1 KNVV vendors I don't exactly remember right now. I will have a check. Merchandising categories. There are lots of there are 2-3 tables. So merchandising category does not have a a straightforward table where you can see the relations between merchandising category and uh, merchandising category hierarchies. Okay, because these are based on classifications. Okay, so for merchandising category for the retail we use the classification 023. Okay, for the sites we have the classification 030. Yeah. So in this way we have different classifications. Yeah. Then next we have is the articles. Articles are basically in specifically in retail we have articles called single article. Then we have sets. We
Display.
have display sets, and we have pre-packs. And one additional last thing.
Dummy packs.
And we have generic articles. Generic articles where we say an article the article is almost same but it is different because of its sizes, colors. Yeah. So if I'm talking about shirt, so it's just shirt. When I'm ordering to vendor, I will use a particular code for a particular shirt, but it has different colors and sizes. So it does not mean I should create for 7 colors and 3 different sizes 21 codes in my SAP. So what I will do, I will create only one code, and against that particular code in the whenever I am putting that code, system will prompt me okay which color and which size, and whenever I put those things, last those 4 digits will become a code in addition to the prefix code. So that way it's very easy. When you are placing any order, you know what you are ordering. Yeah. So For example, if I am putting in shirt, I want 50 shirts. System will prompt, okay, which colors, these are the colors available and these are the sizes available. So which color and which sizes you want to order with how much quantities. So then you can put like 3, 2, 1, 7, 5, 3, 8, like that for all varieties. So when you place the order, uh, the vendor will get all those things differently.
Okay.
So that's article. Article is the smallest unit of SQ to maintain the inventory, to do sales, purchase. So for all of them, the smallest unit would be the article. Though we can group again the articles under different units like carton, dozens, and many other units. Yeah. Because in procurement generally you procure into the bulk, so you use a different unit, but that unit is converted again, and while selling you try to go at the smallest units. The next is assortment management and listing. So what is the use of assortment?
Assortment is an object which is used to
So when we talk about assortment management, assortment is basically object which is used for the purpose of assorting the articles so that we can
listing
list,
the articles.
so that we can list the articles to the stores.
Yes.
Yeah. So assortments are basically of different types in SAP. We have general assortments, we have
Layout module.
we have layout modules, assortment layout modules. We have assortment grade, and yeah, these are the three main varieties which are used. Yeah, we also have something called local assortments. Local assortment is like every store is also represented
It's
as
a local assortment.
yeah. So every store is an assortment also, and that assortment is called local assortment. And all these assortments we do for the purpose of listing the article. Assortment list. So assortment list is basically the list of articles which we send to point of sale system, so that point of sale can sell those products to the customer. So you have SAP system which has all the informations, where you are maintaining the information regarding the articles, you are doing the procurement, and you have the prices. But all this information, when you go into a store and you procure an article, and on the till system when they sell a product, they are not actually running any transaction on SAP. Yeah, because the volume is too high. Okay, and for this huge volume you don't run applications on SAP. So you have a separate system that is called point of sale system, which is a separate system. It's an independent, and it performs the transaction. And this, to perform this transaction, the point of sale needs the information regarding its article, its description, its prices, discounts, what are the bonus buys, what are the promotions. So all this informations gets transferred to point of sale from SAP through assortment list. So what we do is, in the article master we assign this particular list. So once this is assigned and we run certain transaction, when we run that transaction, the system will generate the IDOCs, and through the IDOC it will so this IDOCs generally goes into an middleware system. In SAP generally we use PI system, okay, that is called process integration, PI. So PI is the system which has the capability of converting the formats of one file to other. So SAP generally had been using till now more of IDOCs. So this IDOCs are then goes to process integration system, and process integration system converts those file into the format which point of sale can understand. Generally these are called ASC files, .asc files. So they convert those IDOCs into that particular .asc files, and these files are then uploaded into a point of sale manager, okay, because you have 1000 stores and every store has again 10 till systems. It means you have 10,000 till systems. So you are not going to do upload to each store and again going to the each. So what you do, you send all the information to point of sale system, and then point of sale system based on the store number, it will upload the data to its relevant till systems. So there could be some informations which are applicable to all the stores, there could be some informations which are applicable to particular stores. So for that actually we'll learn about the assortment list. So these are the main basic concepts that we are going to go through.